Hi viewers, after watching this video, if you like it, I hope you will subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now we will see a tricks how to edit 2 or 3 parallel image at a time. That means if I work on an image, it will be work symmetrically on another image. For these tricks, we have to go to Windows, then Arrange, and we have to make a new window for untitled one. Untitled one means my document name is untitled one. That means new window for my documents, and I have made it. So now I have to do one thing, that is go to window, then arrange, and I have to click on to up vertical. So I have to up vertical. That means now you guys are seeing two images are parallelly in my screen. So if I edit on an image like that, if I write here my name like that, my name is I have written my name here. So you guys are seeing that semantically these text are written on the another image. So this is the process, and if I want to retrieve from the previous version of Photoshop, then we have to go again Windows, then Arrange, and we have to click on consolidate all the tabs. That's it. Thank you. And such kind of tips are coming soon. Subscribe my channel.